So, for our university tracker, we have got our sort of ID, username, email, stuff we need on access quickly at the top. Then you've got whatever is your current or upcoming assignments should show here. You can see them all on a calendar and then by paper, which typically universities have a system where it's like quizzes, final year exams, final project, group assignments, and each one is worth like a percent. We call those weighted grades. So all you need to do is get the weighted grades, put them here, um, and then for each assignment, you can see we input the possible points for each assignment and the points we get when we get our grade, and it will calculate your actual weight. Um, Now, of course, these papers need to attach to degrees, but each paper first has to sum it all up and tell you when you've passed the paper and how many credits you get. So we have this view here. You can also say what days your tutorials are and what days your lectures are over here, so that these papers show on your focus for the day on the main page. And then here's the degrees. You can see they're related to different papers. Some papers can be related to multiple degrees. So by doing one paper, you're making progress on multiple degrees. The system, calculates, it takes that into account. And it will calculate, show you the credits when you get them, and tell you when you get your degree. Obviously, you can personalize this as much as you like. Any other quick links, extracurricular, school, restaurant, menus, whatever, you could put over here, and any links you need quickly to websites that the university uses. Of course, they have a lot. So, good luck with your studies.